Now shoulder bandage. For applying shoulder bandage, place the center of bandage on the shoulder. Okay, so center of the bandage should come on the shoulder, base towards this side and point towards the side of neck reaching to the ear. So point should be up to this side. Carry the ends crossed and tie the knot on outer side of the arm so that the lower border of the bandage is in fixed position here. You can see in the picture. Apply the arm sling also. Okay, then we apply arm sling and turn down the point of the bandage over the knot of the arm sling as shown in the picture. So here this is the center of this bandage. This is the point reaching towards the ear. Here it is the base. Then we cross over the ends and tie the knot here. Now we apply arm sling and this point come back here and we pin up the point here or we tape. So this is how we apply shoulder bandage.